Monteriggioni is a small, fortified hilltop town in Tuscany, just north of Siena. At first glance, it looks like a classic medieval fortress, and it is, but the story of this hill stretches back long before the 13th century. In ancient times, the region was inhabited by the Etruscans, a powerful civilization that dominated central Italy before the rise of Rome. The surrounding area contains scattered Etruscan archaeological remains, especially tombs and roads, though no major Etruscan settlement stood on this exact hill. Later, during the Roman period, it became part of the Roman road network, with the Via Francigena running nearby. The road connected northern Europe to Rome and played a key role in commerce, communication, and pilgrimages. After the fall of the Roman Empire, the region fragmented under Lombard and Frankish control. By the 11th and 12th centuries, new power centers emerged, including the Republic of Siena, which would go on to build Monteriggioni. Construction of Monteriggioni began in 1213. The Sienese wanted a fortified outpost to defend against their rival, Florence, and to control the stretch of the Via Francigena. The Via Francigena, a major route, stretched over 1,000 kilometers, or around 620 miles. This hill was ideal for surveillance and defense. The fortifications were completed by 1219. The walls form an almost perfect circle, about 570 meters or 1,870 feet, and include 14 towers spaced along the top. There are only two gates, Porta Romana, facing Siena, and Porta Fiorentina, towards Florence. This design made it easier to monitor and defend the town. Unlike castles that expanded gradually, Monteriggioni was a planned construction, built all at once with a clear military purpose. A small civilian population lived inside to support the garrison and maintain the site. Life inside the walls remained relatively quiet for decades. But the town played a role during the 13th and 14th centuries in the ongoing Guelph and Ghibelline conflicts, and during Siena's wars with Florence. One of the most critical moments came in 1554, during the final stages of the conflict between Siena and Florence. At the time, Florence was backed by the Spanish crown and the Medici family. Betrayed by its own commander, Giovanni Zeti, Monteriggioni was surrendered to Florence without a fight. This marked the decline of Monteriggioni's military role. After Florence absorbed the territory, the town lost its strategic value. Over the following centuries, the site remained rural and sparsely populated, which ironically helped preserve its original structure. Today, Monteriggioni is remarkable for how little has changed. The walls, towers, and gatehouses are nearly all original. Inside, the town has just a few streets, a Romanesque church, and some stone houses, many now serving tourists. In modern times, Monteriggioni reached a wider audience, thanks to the Assassin's Creed video game series. While the in-game version adds fictional features like tunnels and upgrades, the real town structure and towers are accurately represented. Monteriggioni offers a unique window into Tuscany's past, one that remained almost unchanged since the 1200s. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing for more short history documentaries from across Europe.